Luciano, isang OFW mula Canada sa kanilang bayan sa Banna, kasama ang kanyang nobya na si Barbie. Mainit silang tinanggap ni Crispin at ng pamilya at agad pinatikim si Barbie ng mga kakaibang pagkain tulad ng abal-abal, ararawan at balut na ikinagulat pero ikinatuwa rin niya. Ipinasyal sila ni Crispin sa iba't ibang lugar at pinatikim ng mga lokal na produkto tulad ng chichaport at banna otap. Kahit natuwa si Barbie, pakiramdam niya may kulang pa rin. Dumating ang pista at doon niya nakita ang tunay na buhay sa banna. Masaya, makulay at nagkakaisa. Sa isang cooking contest, ipinakita sa kanya ang proseso ng paghahanda ng itlog ng abuos. Nang matikman niya ito, nagulat siya. It's delicious. Doon niya tuluyang napalaghan ang kultura at kabutihan ng mga tao. Sa kanyang pag-alis, may luha sa kanyang mga mata at pangako. I will surely come back here in Banna. Hindi lang pagkain ang natikman ni Barbie, kundi nadama niya ang puso ng taga-Banna.
From something unfamiliar to something unforgettable.
A journey of discovery where differences become appreciation.
Through culture, food, and shared experiences.
A deeper connection is found, a sense of belonging, representing their community with pride and joy. Cluster 5.
Welcome, Shano and Barbie. Welcome to Ilocos Norte. Welcome home.
It's so nice to be back home, Kabsat.
Kapsat, aday saganat amakan para kanyayo. Ada abal-abal, ararawan, balut kanda dumapay. Yan, Kapsat, baka madikayat ni Barbie.
You wanna taste our abal-abal, ararawan, and balut, Barbie?
It's tasty, it's crispy, but it looks like a cockroach.
Barbie, this is our famous otap from Marco and chichapon from Binacat.
These snacks are really good, and the places are nice too.
Siano, Barbie, umadani ti fiesta ni Ilin. Umay kay tumaki fiesta. We have lots of fun events during our fiesta here in Banna. We even have Abuos cooking contest.
Sure, I'm looking forward to it. But what is Abuos?
Come, I'll show you.
Honey, this is how we get the Abuos eggs from their nest.
Oh, so these are ants' eggs.
And this is how we clean and cook them. Barbie, have a taste of the Abuos egg.
It's different, but delicious.